Hi everyone! Today's Shojin ryori is Ume Miso and Ume Soy sauce. In this recipe, ume is a sour plum. In Japan, the season for plum blossoms is June. Most households make dried sour plums Umeboshi and sour plum wine Umesyu. This work is called Ume Shigoto. When the plum season comes, I feel excited that summer has come. Today, I will introduce the simplest way to cook sour plums. You can make delicious seasonings just by soaking sour plums in miso or soy sauce. Let's make it together. Ingredients. First, remove the nibble of the sour plum. This is because it is too hard to eat. It doesn't have to be a beautiful sour plum. If possible, the one that is ripe yellow like this is easier to transfer the aroma and can be delicious. Wipe off the water well, spread on a colander and let them dry. First, make Ume Miso. Fill the miso pack with the prepared plums. Cover with miso from above and smooth the surface. You can use this miso from the next day. After soaking for about 1 week, take out the plums. Please enjoy it by mixing with cucumbers or making miso soup. This is a delicious miso with a nice scent of sour plums. Next, make Ume Soy sauce. Put the prepared plums in a clean jar. Pour the soy sauce. Cover the surface with wrap. It's done. Please store it in the refrigerator. This soy sauce can be used in any dish. This is a soy sauce with an elegant sour plum scent. It was an introduce of Japanese handmade seasonings that can only be enjoyed now. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and Shojin ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。